In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Microsoft Copilot AI tool in Hindi. If you want to chat with AI, ask questions, get summaries, or even create content in Hindi, Microsoft Copilot makes the process very simple. The good news is that you do not need any advanced technical knowledge to get started. You can use it either on a computer through your web browser or on your phone through the free Microsoft Copilot app. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com. If you are using a smartphone and prefer a mobile experience, you can also download the free Microsoft Copilot app. Both options work well, so you can choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once the site or app opens, look for the Sign In button, usually located near the top corner of the screen. Click it, then log in using your Microsoft account. Signing in is important because it gives you access to the full experience and helps keep your conversations organized. After you sign in, you may see different conversation styles, such as creative, balanced, and precise. These options help shape the kind of response you receive. Creative is useful when you want more imaginative or expressive answers. Balanced is a good everyday option for most tasks. Precise is helpful when you want something more direct, factual, or concise. Choose the one that best fits what you need. Next, go to the chat box and type your question or prompt in Hindi. You can write in Hindi script or you can use Roman Hindi if that feels easier for you. Copilot can understand both styles, which makes it flexible for different users. If you do not want to type, you can click the microphone icon and speak your prompt in Hindi instead. This is especially helpful if you want a faster, more natural way to interact, or if typing in Hindi is inconvenient on your device. When your prompt is ready, press the send button and give Copilot a few seconds to respond. Depending on what you ask, it can generate a full answer in Hindi, summarize information, or even create images. The exact result will depend on your request, so try to be as clear as possible. If the first answer is not exactly what you want, continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions in Hindi. You can ask Copilot to make the response shorter, change the tone, simplify the language, or provide more detail. This back and forth is one of the best ways to get better results. That is all you need to know to start using Microsoft Copilot in Hindi today.